Good morning everyone. Now we are going to revise text questions of chapter number 10, Motion and Measurement. 1 to 5 questions we had discussed earlier. Now we are going to start from question number 6. So there is a question for you. What is that? The distance between Radha home and school is 3250 meter. What is the value of distance between Radha home and school? That is 3250 meter, and we have to express this distance into kilometers. Are you ready? Okay, so as you know, 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, so how many meters we have to convert in kilometer? Yes, that is 3250 meter. So 3250 meter equal to, when we convert into kilometer, means we have to divide it by 1000. And what is the value? The value is 3.250 kilometer. So it's a very easy na. So we can easily convert the one unit into another one. So again you can say the distance between Radha home and school is 3250 meter or 3.250 kilometer. Now there's a next problem for you. In that problem you have to find the length of a needle. Yes, you have to find the length of a needle and the reading scale. The value of the reading scale at one end is 3 centimeter and the value of the reading scale at another end is 33.1 centimeter. Means the initial value is 3 centimeter and your final value is 33.1 centimeter. So we have to find out the length of the needle. Okay. So first of all, if we have to find out the length of any object, so what we have to do? So see, first of all, write down initial length. So initial length of the needle equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. And the final length of your needle equal to, that is your 33.1 centimeter. Now we have to find out the length of the needle. So we can easily find the length of the needle by subtracting the initial length from the final one. Yes, when we subtract initial length from the final one, then we will get the length of the object. What is the final length? What is the value of the final length? Yes, 33.1 centimeter. And what is the value of initial length? Yes, it is the 3.0 centimeter. So when we subtract it, we will get the answer 30.1 centimeter. So you can see very easily you can find out. Only you have to subtract the initial length from the final length. So length of the needle is 30.1 centimeter. Now there is a next problem for you and it's very easy. You have to give 2 examples of periodic motion. Can you? Okay, so first one example of periodic motion, you can say rotation or revolution of earth. Okay, so you can say rotation of earth or the revolution of earth. That is an example of periodic motion. Next one, you can say the hands of a clock, the minute hands, or you can say the hands of a clock. They always show the periodic motion. So these are the 2 examples of periodic motion are rotation and revolution of the earth and the motion of the hands of a clock. The next problem for you, you have to find out the similarities and differences between the motion of a bicycle and the motion of a ceiling fan. We have to find out the similarities as well as differences. So let us try to find out. So first of all, similarities. So when we seeing the motion of a bicycle and the motion of a ceiling fan, both show circular motion. The wheels of a bicycle, the blades of a ceiling fan, both show circular motion as well as rotational motion as they move around a fixed axis. The wheels of a bicycle, they move around a fixed axis and the blades of a ceiling fan, they also move around a fixed axis. So both of them shows the circular motion as well as rotational motion. So that are the similarities between the motion of a bicycle and a ceiling fan. Now we have to find out the differences. So when we're talking about the differences now, when a bicycle move, it can change its position. Yes, when a bicycle move, it can change its position. But when the blades of a ceiling fan move, it can't change its position. Means bicycle can change its position. It can move from one place to another. But ceiling fan does not change its position. That is your one difference. Next one is there. The wheels of a bicycle when moved, they show the circular motion as well as rectilinear motion because they are moving from one place to another. So the wheels of a bicycle or the bicycle shows the circular as well as rectilinear motion. But in case of ceiling fan, it does not show rectilinear motion. So these are the differences between the motion of a bicycle and ceiling fan. So similarities, circular motion and rotational motion, and differences, bicycle can change its position but ceiling fan does not change its position. Bicycle shows the rectilinear motion also, but the ceiling fan does not show the rectilinear motion. Now there is a next problem for you, and what is that? An elastic tape. Can we use an elastic tape for the measurement? So what do you think? First of all, tell me, can we use? Answer is yes or no? Yes, the answer is no. We can't use an elastic tape for the measurement because elastic, its magnitude can be easily increased. If you will stretch, it can easily increase its magnitude and we are not able to get the accurate measurement. So that's why we can't use the elastic tape for measurement. So it's clear. So next time, no need to use elastic tape.